Come here. Come to mama. Yes. Yes, baby. Oh, we're training our chickie baby. This was her first time being free range on the mini farm. How does it feel? How does it feel? You're a big girl now. Now, of course, I'm gonna wait until she gets, a little bit more weight on her before I let her be out here on the mini farm by herself. But oh, you see her coming to mama, baby. Oh. Alrighty, and this is Goldie. Say hi. Say hi, Goldie. Oh, she instantly, as soon as I put her down, came to me. Look around. This is your mini farm. Look around. You see all of this. Look, I'm gonna quote Lion King. All that the sun touches over here is yours. So let's see. You gonna come to mama? Come to mama? Come here, Lulu. Come here. You gonna come here? Oh, she done got scared. Say, come on. Come on. Baby girl. Yes. Good job. Good job. So this right here is our Australorp chick, indigenous to Australia. So this is how we have Australia represented here at our mini farm. Now, Australorps are award-winning chickie babies. And yeah, this was her first time being somewhat free range on the mini farm. So I'm gonna let her see everything before she goes back in. If she appears a little wet, she is, because today was also bath day. You don't have no paws. Yeah. That's your big sister's house. So when you get a little bit bigger, you can pick right there or pick right there. Hey, big sis, can I come in? Yeah, that's big sister's house. I'm right here. Oh, very good. Very good. What's wrong? Is this all? Is your mini farm? This will be where you will roam. But you gotta get a little bit bigger. So you see all your goodies? Guess what? Because of how the circle of life goes, after I harvest some stuff, it'll be some good leafy stuff for you too. But you have to stay away from, see all of these? All of those are tomatoes. You have to stay away from those green leaves of tomatoes. Everything else, you and your big sis Maymay can partake in. Yes. And I heard your granddaddy planted some corn. Yum yum, right? I know you like corn.